how to uninstall and remove McAfee on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to completely remove McAfee from your PC in just a few steps. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. After that, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. From there, click on Apps on the left side menu. At this point, click on Installed Apps to see all the apps currently on your PC. In the next step, scroll through the list and look for McAfee. Once you find it, click on the three dots next to it. From there, click on Uninstall. At this stage, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on Uninstall again to proceed. Following this, the McAfee uninstaller will open. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the removal. Once done, let me show you how to make sure McAfee is fully removed. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. At this point, type in %appdata and hit Enter. Look for any McAfee folders remaining and right-click on them. From there, click on Delete to remove any leftover files. Once done, do the same for %localappdata. Press Windows key and R, type in %localappdata, and hit Enter. Look for any McAfee folders and delete them as well. Finally, once everything is removed, press and hold the power button or click on the Start menu and select Restart to reboot your PC. Once it's back on, McAfee should be completely gone from your system when it's back on. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove McAfee from Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.